Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Roblox account. To sign up for a Roblox account, first of all, go ahead and open up your App Store or your Google Play Store. In the search box, type in Roblox. Look for this Roblox application from Roblox Corporation and tap on the download or the install button and wait until you see the open button and tap on it. After you tap on open, you will then end up in this login screen. To create a new account, tap on create account. Now select your birthday from the toggle menu. Select your birth year, month, and date. After you are done, click next and then write down a username for yourself. Don't use your real name and click next. On the next page, create a password for your Roblox account. Type down a strong password and tap on next. Select your gender on the next page. Click done at the bottom and then you have created your Roblox account. To finish your account setup, tap on add email at the top and enter a valid email address you would like to use for your account. After typing down an email, click continue. You will now need to confirm your email, so go ahead and check your email inbox. You will then receive an email from Roblox. Simply open it up and then click on verify email. Right after you do that, you will be able to verify your email. You can now receive a gift for verifying your email, and after you do that, you can then get back to the Roblox app, and that's how you easily finish up your sign up process. With your Roblox account created, you are ready to explore, create, and enjoy the vast world of Roblox games and social interactions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.